guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I saw your comments on the short that I posted. I booked the appointment. We are getting colorful braids this week for the first time. I'm a little nervous but excited. If I don't like it, I'm gonna come back and cuss y'all out. So in the meantime, let's talk about some of the new launches that are coming out. I actually have a new Danessa and Fenty launch in the mail, so I wonder if we'll talk about that today, but let's go. Okay, available now. Longevity for a lifetime, a new beginning for timeline skin, new look, new products, new buttercream yellow stunning packaging, just like the formula's color, and it's also refillable. Solutions for skin concerns at every stage of your timeline for all skin types, including sensitive, for more youthful looking skin. Did I miss something? I never heard of this brand before. At least I don't think I have. But it's a skincare line. Let's see, there's a cleanser, an exfoliator. Okay, serum, eye cream. The prices? Okay, I'm seeing $200 for moisturizer. The eye cream and metal applicator is $120. Maybe I missed a step. I swear I've never heard of this brand before. If you have, let me know in the comments down below, but I'm gonna keep scrolling. Okay, new lip glaze oil from Urban Decay. Hydration and shine for your lips in 7 shades. Coming soon on their website and retail. I feel like Urban Decay has been launching a lot of new things recently. I'm not sure if like that's what part of separating from Scandinavia is. Like maybe they're trying to rebrand the company. What are these again? I already forgot what they are. Lip glaze oils. I mean, you know, I see a color or two that would be cute to, some products, it's not something that you would run to go get. Okay, let y'all see the back of my head. It's not something that you would run to go get, but it's kind of like if it was given to you, or, you know, those instances where you need to add something to your cart to reach a certain quota so that you can get, you know, a discount or whatever, that type thing. Like maybe you just might throw it in there because lip products are a little cheaper and stuff like that. Like that's what I think when I see some products, and this is one of them. It's like maybe you'd be cute if I tried you, but I'm not in a rush to try you either. But that's honestly how I feel about a lot of lip products. A new fragrance. The redesigned bottle strikes an elongated silhouette with a thick glass base to visually elevate the bottle, and an antique gold cap sits atop the glass neck, perfectly complementing the shade of the fragrance inside. Notes: eucalyptus, jasmine, sandalwood. I'm not really seeing a lot of the notes that stick out to me. I'm like, I've smelled a lot of Byredo fragrances. It's pretty. You know, they're getting me on packaging, so it makes me like at least want to smell this one, but this is another I wouldn't be in a rush either. I don't like how this is looking going into the fall. It's like y'all be having it one month and the next month just Beauty news. She is back with a new beauty brand. Details by Tati Westbrook. Tati had a beauty brand, Tati Beauty, with her iconic eyeshadow palettes, and it closed in 2021. So this is a whole new journey for her and for us. The first launch is including 3 makeup brush sets. The sets retail for $133.25. That's a very specific number, I guess, each. I'm gonna keep scrolling. That's what I'm gonna do. Right. Okay. Revealed new addition to the Cloud Paint family, the Cloud Paint Plush Blush. Say that 5 times. Cloud Paint Plush Blush. And a new brush from Glossier. Cloud Paint Plush Blush retails for $26 with a pillowy soft memory cloud texture that delivers long-wearing, blendable, buildable, soft matte color while blurring the look of porous 10 shades. Wait a minute. Because those blushes actually look really pigmented and actually very flattering for all skin tones. They might have to see me. Now, I have tried blush products from Glossier before, I think the liquid ones, and they were good as well. So this might be the first thing in this video that I'm actually a little intrigued by. Available now in Europe, new collab, new collection, When Fashion Meets Makeup, Mugler has collaborated with L'Oreal. The French fashion house is teaming up with L'Oreal to launch a limited edition color cosmetics collection inspired by the Mugler archives before it opens a new chapter with creative director Miguel Castro Freitas. My bad. The collection was created to be worn both day and night, includes foundation, a magnetic radiance stick, spectrum eyeshadow palettes, augmented volume mascara. Listen, I don't told y'all, when fashion houses, luxury makeup type stuff like that release makeup, it's just like it looks like what they would launch, you know, pretty neutral. And then there's always going to be like the blue and the random green or purple thrown in there. It's being modeled on Kendall Jenner. You know, this is makeup that I expect for like a fashion week type, or like a fashion week, what they're putting on the models for the shows type makeup. And I feel like it looks very good for that. The average person, I feel like this is very, you know, like you're going to school, you're going to work, you're somewhere casual, or you're a little bit more of a natural makeup wear, which the target audience that these companies are going for, that is usually how they wear their makeup. So since it's in collaboration with L'Oreal, that's the thing. Are you going to be L'Oreal pricing or Mugler pricing? Because since it's Mugler, I would assume the makeup aspect of this is being left to L'Oreal, like the formulation and stuff like that. I mean, L'Oreal, some of it is a little pricey. You know, you're starting to get into like the $15 stuff like that. So this is going to stay around there, or you're going to take it to like 30 something dollars because it's with Mugler. But I'm gonna keep scrolling. New addition to the Surreal Skin family, Makeup by Mario. Surreal Skin Natural Finish Foundation retails for $48. A foundation with a natural finish and weightless medium coverage that smooths and blurs for a second skin effect. And the Surreal Skin makeup bag retails for $15. I really do like the original Surreal Skin foundation, but I'm confused because, like, is that one not a natural finish foundation? Maybe it's a dewy finish? Because it can't be a matte finish foundation. Is it? Maybe soft matte? I don't know, but I really like that foundation. So if you tried that and you didn't like it, this is the same foundation, but this one's supposed to have a natural finish. I'll probably try this one, especially because since we're going into the colder months. I have oily skin, so, you know, I don't have to worry as much there about like sweating off a natural finish foundation. I might try it just because that's what I do. So, okay, Mario, you might get a little something out of me. Okay, holiday 2025. New gift set minis from Rare Beauty. I believe they had those last year as well. Good like stocking stuffer type options, or, you know, if you're buying gifts on a budget, Secret Santa, that type stuff. And I like Rare Beauty products. So, oh, what is this? New Wonder Snatch powder from NYX. Set, lift, and brighten all in one. This good for you powder technology is made with no talc, no silica, infused with green tea for that rich in antioxidants glow of healthy skin, lifting peptides known to firm skin and higher power pigments that brighten and blend seamlessly for a translucent payoff. Comes in 8 shades. I like NYX. NYX is I feel like one of the better drugstore brands. Like, they have a nice balance of quality and price. Like, some of their stuff gets, I guess, a little pricier than what people think drugstore makeup should be, which, baby, everything is going to cost more nowadays. But it said brightening, so I would probably try it as a like brightening type shade. It looks like they have a pink shade. Is it pink? Or it's just the coloring? Because it doesn't look pinkish on the dark arm swatches. But I would try this. So that's like 2 things so far in this video. Revealed new addition to the Born in Roma family, body and hair products from Valentino. Valentino Beauty is dropping their first ever body and hair care line based on the iconic signature fragrance of Valentina Donna Born in Rome. So the body shimmer 3-in-1 body care of a combination. I think she meant a combination of makeup, skincare, and fragrance inspired by the beautiful reflection of Roman light with a kaleidoscope creates an elegant and playful glow on the skin. And then Valentino Born in Rome, a fragrance hair and body mist. Light texture leaves hair shiny and soft. There's no pricing on it yet. It's Valentino, so probably somewhere around like $40, $50, given, you know, that it's hair and body mist. I'm not the biggest when brands come out with like body mist and hair mist. First of all, I'm not spraying nothing in my hair. Mine or some type of weave. But even body mist. Now body mist with fragrance, it'd be doing a little something. But I haven't come across too many body mists that are even worth all of that. So, you know, I would try it. I would smell it, see how I like it. But let me scroll on. I have said, let me scroll on a little too. Oh, so this is one of the things that I mentioned in the beginning of the video that I purchased. I don't know if you guys know, but available now from Fenty Beauty, their new and improved and new shades of the Set It Down Ultra Fine Blurring Setting Powder. So it is an ultra lightweight, waterproof, smooth texture, mattifies the skin, blurs the appearance of pores, and protects your makeup against perspiration, humidity, and shine. Second skin finish. So there are 8 shades, and I bought it in, I think, lavender. I think I bought it in lavender. I already forgot. It was either gonna be lavender or strawberry milk, but I guess it's a newer version of their setting powder, and I like their setting powder. Now, the original Fenty setting powder, that is for oily skin. If you have dry skin, it shouldn't even be a thought in your mind to purchase that powder. But oily skin and like you're really trying to mattify your face, that one ain't nothing. Nothing is seeping through that powder. So I'm kind of curious to see how this is like a newer version of that one, and I'm excited about the color. So you will be seeing a video on that very soon. Okay, and I'm gonna do like one more. Oh, well, Fenty Beauty also launched a hair and body fragrance mist, but you heard what I just said about hair and body. So scroll on. New primers from Fenty Beauty, Grip Trip Mattifying and Blurring Primer. I knew I was forgetting to get something when I made the purchase. The gripping primer with mattifying and blurring skincare benefits that delivers a smooth, filtered finish that makes your makeup last up to 12 hours. So that's the peach one. And then the purple one that you see is Grip Trip Hydrating Primer, also retails for $37. A gripping primer with hydrating and visible plumping skincare benefits that delivers a smooth, hydrated finish that makes your makeup last up to 12 hours. I want to try this. I've seen, you know, some videos so far of people using it, and it looks like it's promising. So I will be trying that. I just forgot to add it to my cart. Okay, and babes, last one, because it's just not giving this month, is Holiday 2025 for MAC Cosmetics. Just like every year, they will have the holiday collection, and the sets drop includes eyeshadow palette, lip oil sticks, 3 lip gloss air, 3 jelly shine eyeshadow, must have advent calendar, 14 gift set. I kind of like advent calendars. I feel like, you know, it's a little surprise you can look forward to every day. And also, like, if you are someone who opens it up beforehand, they make for good stocking stuffers. If there's really good stuff in there that you want to keep, it makes for good like travel size products. So honestly, truly, I'm looking at it, and I can already tell you, see how I just kind of bypassed everything else? It would probably only be the advent calendar that I'd be interested in. All right, y'all. So that is it for this month. A little lackluster. You know, I'm looking at some of the holiday launches, and again, the packaging is there. It's cute. I think I mentioned that before. That's like, give us 2014, 2015 holiday energy. Now, they can't because of the current state of the world. Brands are, you know, definitely cutting corners and penny pinching and trying to get the best bang for their buck as far as what they are providing and the money that has to be spent to do that. But like, that's what people want. That's a wish. It's probably not gonna happen, but honestly, truly, the holiday launches are probably what stuck out the most in this video. There was the NYX powder, which I will probably end up trying some launches from Fenty, but other than that, you know, I guess like it can't be exciting every month, but it's like, I feel like at some point it used to. The industry is just very saturated. Like, everybody and their mama has a makeup line and a makeup something, but like, probably because there was less is why it was more exciting back in the day, where like every month there was something exciting to look at. Now it's like everyone owns everything, everyone has everything. So it's kind of like, you really got to do something to stick out and want to make people purchase something. And, you know, good for the consumer, because I feel like people are wising up and being more selective with their money. Good for you. So that is it for this video, y'all. Like I said, I do have some new makeup in the mail. So there will be new videos on that stuff. If there's anything that I did not cover in this video, but you would like to see a video on, and I just thought about it. And I also forgot to get the new Pat McGrath blurring setting spray, but that's because I got the Danessa blurring setting spray. We have to make another order on Sephora. But those are 2 new setting sprays. Definitely worth checking out. I've been seeing all over the place, especially the Danessa setting spray. But both Pat and Danessa have put out blurring setting sprays. I don't know if like blurring is... So I'm excited for that. But if there's anything else that I did not discuss, but you would like to see a video on, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure 2 thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.